What was the verb to go?
Gitmek.
Gitmek. And I'm going?
Gidiyorum. Gidiyorum.
Gidiyorum. Good. With this verb and a couple of others, the T softens to a D with that vowel, gidiyorum. So bearing this in mind, how would you say I will go?
Gideceğim.
Gideceğim. Very good. The word for tomorrow in Turkish is yarın.
Yarın.
Y-A-R, the I without the dot on the top, N. Yarın. I will go tomorrow.
Yarın gideceğim.
Very good. Yarın gideceğim. What was to give again?
Vermek.
Vermek. Good. To decide in Turkish is karar vermek.
Karar vermek.
This is literally to give, decision give.
Actually, karar also means decision in Arabic and Persian. Well, qarar in Arabic with qaf, which is a special sound, qarar. If you want to learn one of those languages, although they are totally different from Turkish in structure of Persian and Arabic, you will be able to recycle a lot of vocabulary.
Karar vermek.
Karar vermek.
So how would you tell somebody, decide?
Karar ver.
Very good. Karar ver. How would you say, I will decide tomorrow?
Yarın karar vereceğim.
Very good. Yarın karar vereceğim. We will decide tomorrow.
Yarın karar vereceğiz.
Very good. Yarın karar vereceğiz. The word for day is gün. G-U with the two dots, N.
Gün.
And the word for today is this day. Bugün. Bugün.
Bugün.
So how would you say I will decide today?
Bugün karar vereceğim.
Very good. Bugün karar vereceğim. And this is an interesting word now because we have an U without the dots and then we have an U with the dots. So there's no harmony going on here because gün is not an ending, it's a word. And these two words stick together to form the word today, but they don't harmonize. So we get bugün. What was the word for because?
Çünkü.
Çünkü. How would you say, we'll come here tomorrow because we want to see you? We'll come here tomorrow because we want to see you. So let's begin with, we'll come here tomorrow. What's the first bit of information you can get out of the way?
Yarın.
Now with the here, we need to think, do we mean to here, at here, from here?
To here. Buraya.
Good. Yarın buraya, we will come.
Geleceğiz. Geleceğiz.
Good. Better. Yarın buraya geleceğiz because
Çünkü
we want to see you.
sana görmek istiyoruz.
Sana, we want to see to you.
Çünkü seni görmek istiyoruz.
Very good. We'll come here tomorrow because we want to see you. Yarın buraya
Geleceğiz.
çünkü seni görmek istiyoruz. The word for to in the sense of in order to. So for example, if we wanted to say we'll come here tomorrow to see you, this to see, whenever it implies in order to see, is not just your straightforward görmek, to see. This to in the sense of in order to is the word for, için, için.
İçin.
So this word actually means for, and you might find speakers of Turkish and actually other languages as well making this mistake in English, saying I will come for seeing you, for see you. This is a translation from Turkish, from Greek. You hear Greek speakers do it, you hear Spanish speakers do it. This phenomenon actually of carrying over this structure from one language to another is called language transfer, actually. Now, you can use the language transfer of Turkish speakers in English to make assumptions about Turkish. If you hear Turkish speakers making the same mistakes in English, that can lead you to some assumptions about, what might be going on there in Turkish.
So we have the word için, which means for, but we also use it like to, whenever to implies in order to. So için, for or in order to.
So if you were going to say, we'll come here tomorrow in order to see you, in Turkish you will say, to see you in order to, we'll come here tomorrow. So just as we saw in the word building and in the sentence building, also when we put two clauses together like this, we tend to put the key information first in Turkish. So, in order to see you in order to, how do you think you're going to say that first bit? Have a think about it.
Seni görmek için.
Very good. You to see in order. So the to see, görmek, there is not enough. Whenever to means in order to, the to form of the verb is not enough. We need için. Seni görmek için, we will come here tomorrow.
Yarın buraya geleceğiz.
Yarın buraya geleceğiz. So, in order to see you, seni görmek için, we will come here tomorrow. Yarın buraya geleceğiz. I'm going there in order to buy it. So again, in order to buy it, I'm going there.
Almak için.
Almak için or onu almak için if we want to include the it. I'm going there.
And we're back to the present now. I'm going there, not I will go there.
Oraya gidiyorum.
Good. Almak için or onu almak için oraya gidiyorum. You could also say oraya gidiyorum almak için or onu almak için. You could also have that order, but the most natural order would be to put that reason why first. In order to buy it, onu almak için oraya gidiyorum. What was house or the house?
Ev.
And what was to the house?
Eve.
Eve. I will go to the house in order to wait for him there. So the first part is in order to wait for him there. With there, do we mean to there? Do we mean at there, in there? Do we mean from there?
In there.
Good. In there, at there. So, in order to wait for him there.
Orada.
Well done. Orada. It should be orada, no, but with that contraction in spoken orada.
Orada onu beklemek için.
Very good. Orada onu beklemek için. I'll go to the house. I will go to the house.
Eve gideceğim.
Very good. Very good. I'll go to the house in order to wait for him there. Or in order to wait for him there, I'll go to the house. Orada onu beklemek için eve
Gideceğim.
Very good.